Hey guys, welcome to the studio. Eric Roberts here. We're doing Do It Again, and we're doing the song chart lesson. So let me make sure this mic is pointed in the right direction and glowing the right color. We're doing Do It Again, play and sing TV style song selection. If you want to, go to worshiptheking.com. You can subscribe for $1 for 7 days, so you can get charts, you can get more of the videos, you get more of the lessons, and I'm inviting you in right now to my studio space to edit this songbook. And drink coffee and eat cough drops. I just ate a cough drop. It's terrible with what it's doing to myself. So whatever. Here we go. I'm gonna put this song here. You know, I also tried it at the 12th fret capo, which was really high. It was way up here. Actually, it was like the 10th fret, but I think it's good here the way it is. Okay, so I'm gonna get this mic up here a little bit better today. And the verse is just, simple, but the intro, C's to G, C, walking around these walls, G, I thought by now they'd fall, C, but you have never failed me yet. 2, 3, 4. Waiting for change to come, knowing the battle's won, for you have never failed me. Your promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands. Yeah, this is my confidence. You never failed me yet. Okay, they stay on a C there. You've never failed me yet. I think I'm going to put that in parentheses. So, oops, I don't want the copyright symbol. You've never failed me yet. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I want to tell you guys one thing. On this one, there is a lot of G/Bs, and I took them out. You can just hold the C if you want to. C, I'm going to put hold. Try to get that on the same line. Okay. But I think that waiting for change to come, that's a G/B. Knowing the battle's won. I've been leaving G/Bs out of this book just to make it easier for you guys. But if you want to do the G/B there, walking around these walls, I thought by now they'd fall, but you have never failed me yet. So I think I'm going to put these in. I'm going to put the G/Bs back in here. Boom. I thought by now they'd fall. C. Okay, and then G/B. So just a G/B, simple. You just take the top finger off and put that finger down, and you kind of go like that. So I think this would be a G/B here, and I think this would be a G/B here. Okay. And I think we might need the G/B anyway down at the bottom. So let's do verse 2. And I know the night won't last. G/B. You hear I hit that B note? Your word will come to pass. My heart will sing your praise again. That's more of a regular G chord. So it's like, Jesus, you're still enough. G/B. Keep me within your love. My heart will sing your praise again. Okay, we'll go back back to the chorus one time if you're playing along with me. And these chords are all right. I think these are good, yeah. Your promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands. This is my confidence. You never failed me yet. Okay, and it holds the C there, okay? Now I'm going to do the bridge easy, and then I'll do it a little bit harder. So it goes like, I've seen you move. You move the mountain, and I believe I see you do it again. You made a way when there was no way, and I believe I see you do it again. You made a way. Okay, so... And there was no way. There's no way. There's no way that means that much space. Okay, so that's basically the bridge, but so this is basically advanced bridge chords. If you were to do this, then you could do it like, so I've seen you move the mountain. So yeah, if you do it this way, you do B, G/B to C. And I will tell you, it is extremely hard for a beginner to sing this, even an intermediate advanced guitar singer. It took me a little bit of time to get like the hits, and so don't worry about it too much, but if you want to learn it, it goes like this. So it's very hard to do, but if you want to do it, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1. So that's how I have it written right there. And 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. So when you go to the and, you actually switch chords. That's what makes it a little bit harder too. So if you just follow that, and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, and 4 G G. So you can do that if you do it slow. And 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Now I will try this last time here just to sing it all the way through with those hits. It's extremely hard and I'm not even sure I can do it, so let's see what happens. So it goes like this. Yeah, so there, I got it okay. It was a little on that one part, a little fumble there, but this is a cool song. Okay, this is a cool song. We do it a lot in our church right now. If you want to get the chart download, you can always get it in the Songbook. It's in the Play and Sing Songbook. Look, I got this thing. I don't know how this thing got over here. We need to put this back. That's for my other light. You can get it in the Play and Sing Songbook that's coming out in 2020. Check the links in the description. You can also join and get all the lessons and all the awesome stuff that I'm doing on Worship the King and a daily and monthly basis. But I'm doing these every day, so make sure you like the video. And God bless you guys. I'll see you next time.